Hey guys, this is Gwendolyn again, and for today's video I would like to, first of all, stop this, show you a Dooney satchel. Oh! That's what makes me laugh. Am I doing it again?
No, we can just go.
What are you so fun now?
Your intros are fun. And you're on.
It's on?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, you guys! I wasn't holding my tummy in or anything. Lacey gotta tell me when this stuff comes on. I'm just sitting up here reading what's on TV. Hi, you guys. You guys, look. She gotta tell you, so you know, you got to, hide stuff and.
You're so silly.
You guys, oh my gosh, and I'm losing that stuff, whatever, my big old stuff I had going on from those hormones. You guys know what I've been going through. Why should I always talk about other stuff? Because something's wrong with her. But you know what? Here is what we're going to be talking about today on the side of my tummy issues. Oh, the Dooney small satchel croc.
Mm-hmm.
The
red crocodile small satchel.
That's order.
Exactly.
I say everything backwards.
Say everything
I totally
in a different
do.
order.
I should have been in the military permanently. But you know what, you guys? I should have been in the military. I thought I showed you guys this handbag, but looking through videos, and obviously I've been putting it off. I think I took it out to show you guys.
I think you had planned on showing it.
Look how cute! I love it. And you got, for the ones that do know, this type of satchel is a really firm structure. Well, you know what I mean by firm. It's like, it's not, I don't think the bag would ever sag.
It's going to stand up on its own.
Yeah, it does have feet.
It has little feet. And for this style, I forgot this is a common style that I've seen in different materials, like just different types of leather. But for you guys that know about the Dooney, this is a nice type of leather. I think what they do is they stamp the embroidered type of look on here, where it's not an actual croc. Yes, ma'am.
Or something in the nature, which I prefer because I love my crocodile. Oh my gosh, that is one animal that I
know
love.
You really like the croc.
I love a croc. I just wish I could have one as a pet, but being with people missing and other animals, neighbors missing. Maybe something to invest in. Get rid of the neighbors. But anyway, this is and the color is like, I don't know how it's showing to you guys. It's like I think it's a little bit lighter burgundy.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit red, a lighter red on camera, but in person it's a real dark, rich red. I think it's kind of a
dark burgundy-ish.
It's like a blood red.
More of a blood red. Good call, Lex. See? You guys wanted to get rid of her. See there? Tell her you're sorry. Sorry, Lexi Pooh. No, I'm just kidding. But this is, and on the inside, you guys know this style has the two pockets. I'm sorry, I got kind of distracted. Lexi told me
your nails are a different color since the last time I saw you.
Like a purplish.
They're purple and sparkly.
I'm always changing. They have the two pockets here that I'm sure a phone or something can sit inside of there. I'm guessing it could. Yeah, she's always reaching for something. I get concerned about things with zippers or scratching my phone, but I know it could sit in there. And I keep this thing on the back. This opens up a little bit more.
And it blends so nicely.
I don't know how well it goes around that
little curve.
Because the bag is stiff. I haven't used it or anything like that much. I've been just going through it. And I pulled it out a few days ago because it was raining. And I don't want to be the only reason to use a bag like this. I'm not saying it for that purpose, but when you have
you rotate different bags, and for different reasons, whether
and then we get something brand new, we get into what's new. When I got to this, I think I bought another Dooney Bourke, and so it makes you just jump around and whatever. But I love this handbag. And inside, outside of the stuffing, that's a real good one right there. This the ones just come in stuff like you in
boxes of what this one. That's a real deal.
That's a nice one.
But a bag, yeah. She gets excited about the smallest things. Look at the inside. Wait, I always have a coin.
You tend to have a coin
It's one
somewhere.
coin. It has to be something sparkly. There's something wrong with me. Look inside. How
I want to zoom
cute.
in a little bit.
The pink color. Dooney really makes nice. Oh, I think this is it's a pink inside of my tote, my green.
I think so.
Tote. I think it's pink too. That's beautiful. And it has the trim like this. Of course, duh, you can see, but it's so cute. And I think this bag, being that it's an older model, and I don't think they repeat their styles very much. Like, whatever they come with, their unique something.
Yes,
I'm
like when I was looking at it. Well, when I was looking online, I couldn't find. Yeah,
yes, on eBay. So I've had it for a little while. They always put whatever these thingies are called. You guys know these thingies. These thingies, like you can attach your keys to it or a wallet.
I can't remember what they're called.
I forgot what they're called. But it's so weird how you see these things in so many various handbags or whatever I do. And you sort of just going to be in there just hanging it. And then when you start digging for those keys, you're like, oh, hold on. I should have attached it. Because
That's
they
true.
tend to
It
just,
make
the
it a
weight
lot
of the keys,
easier.
of course, going to fall to the bottom.
I lose my keys quite often.
I
but
do.
don't
And
keep
I stand there just...
But I honestly do not keep my purse as neat as yours. I just don't.
I keep my bags really
I only have
neat
my one
usually.
purse that I keep neat. That's my little panda purse. But other than that, I have
keep
stuff
my
just...
handbags really neat.
Because I'm always carrying really floppy bags.
I
So I
know.
ball them
Hobo.
up. And
I like hobo
exactly.
style
So
as well.
everything just kind of falls all over the place.
Mine are usually neat. But it has a detachable strap. I don't care for bags that much without the strap, even when I don't use it. Like if it has these little D-ring thingies, I just feel, I don't know, it just bothers me. So I always want to keep something attached, even if I carry it like this. And this is a small.
I like having the option of a strap versus not.
I like holding it like this one. I've carried one similar to this style because I have a couple of them, in this style. I think their bags are just so classy. I think they're so universal, like some others, Coach and others. To me, they're so universal. They're not really an age-related bag to me, handbag company. The company tends to, I don't know, it's just...
Well, like Dooney has their Disney bags and everything.
Oh,
Dooney does.
Oh, Dooney, and they have their sport. I'm going to get a Cowboys one day. I love Dallas Cowboys, you guys. And Chicago Bulls, I love them. Anyway, this all has in here, this is one large pocket.
I was going to say that pocket looks really big.
I'm not going to fill it anything, so this time maybe, time to pull out those investments.
$1.
Call the stock market. I'm ready. I did carry it I think I carried it once out somewhere. It's sad, but I love my bags. I switch around or whatever, but I do really like them. I don't want to... what
is that a Fortune or...
satchel. This matches the number there. This is something else. I don't know what that's from. I thought it had something to do with this. But anyway, it has that one larger pocket. It has... See, I had a card in there and everything. Don't look at the card, you guys. Card it in up like mine. Don't stay away from it. Don't follow in my footsteps. I have another, just the open pocket there on that side, and it has the two on the other side, typical of these type of handbags. The one that snaps, and the other one, it's not one whole pocket across. It's kind of typical.
Can you tilt it down just a little bit? There we go.
And where the one snaps and the other one is just like,
an
for sitting your phones or whatever, kind of common one thing. I like handbags where I have quite a few options of where to put my phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Especially being on the outside. Love that. So this is the satchel, and it has the strap can be adjusted. Quite a few. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's another one. 7, maybe 7 holes or so, maybe one more or so, I don't know, but it could be adjusted down to I mean, all the way up to about here. But anyway, beautiful bag. But while I have you guys' attention, I wanted to show you another bag, just because I'm not making a special video for it because I have one. I have another one, but just because I got a good deal on it. Wait a minute, Dooney. Another one of my Alexander Wang.
I really like this one.
Another Rocky.
Yay!
Isn't that cute? The color is raisin. This is so cute. You guys know I have the other one. I have one that's, whatever that color is, that
it's like a
taupe.
Yes, no?
No, not taupe. Taupe is more
like
brown.
It's like a peachy color.
What's that one color,
Let me see
that
if I
light
can look it
pinkish
up.
color, you guys? Mauve. No? What is mauve? What does mauve look like?
Mauve is a little
Isn't
bit
it
more...
like a pinkish?
It's a pale purple color.
Okay, it's something of the nature. Anyway,
I'm
I
gonna
have
look
the
it
other
up.
one. I may grab it really quickly and show you guys, remind you. But look at how beautiful. I got this one at Fashion File as well. And it is in great condition. Ask me. It's beautiful. You guys know how the Rockies go. But I just wanted to show you that I got another color. And I want the mini. It came with a dust bag. The person that previously owned this still had the tag attached. I don't know if they left it just because, or they didn't really carry the bag much. I don't know. But I see like a little bit wear here. You know, you have bags up against you, but it's like a suede. This is suede or something of the nature. I think this is suede. Oh, is it called suede? I'm all messed up, but I think this is type of a suede.
I'm still trying to get your color.
I think it's a mauve, Lexi, that's color. This is called raisin. That is so beautiful.
Well, your other one's like a peachy brown color.
Yeah, it's kind of a pinkish, peach-ish color. I show it all the time, so I'm not going to go around again.
I can link the video.
Yeah.
Of the other one.
And you guys remember when I talk about these little Rockies, utilize your zipper parts here. Put your keys and things in there. I swear it works. Like here, I would put my keys in one of these if I was holding it, if I didn't attach it to the little, what are these things called? Key ring, or not a T ring? I don't know I forget what these are called. And it's something so simple, I'm
I'll
sure.
look that up.
But anyway,
Let's see if I can find it.
you guys know, you get the picture. So anyway, I just wanted to show you I got this one as well. And this one has the little thingies on there on the zipper pulls. My other one did not. My larger one, my Rocco, has the pulls, colored ones to match the bag on that one. But I just wanted to throw this one in and show you that.
I really like that one.
I love that color. It's, like I said, it's considered raisin. But this is a beautiful bag, you guys. I love this Dooney. I need some coffee. You guys know how it goes. But anyway, I'll go into maybe what fits in here, the next video or whatever, because I don't have a lot of things around me. You guys see me keep looking. I didn't put a lot of things around me this time, so I would let that slide. And Lexi has to get back to work and things. She got things to do today. She's trying to be a busy woman. She got things to do. I just don't want to film by myself, you guys. I feel lonely.
I like filming with you.
I don't want to sit here and talk to myself like I do. I don't want to. But I may start doing. You guys that do it by yourself are amazing. I mean, really. I watch people. They're on it. I'm like,
You'll have to film by yourself eventually. Just because. Then you can film whenever you want.
I want to do it by myself. I know, but
So you'll miss me?
Okay, I should film by myself. But anyway, we're going to pretend Lexi didn't say anything. But I just wanted to come in here, on here for a second and show you guys this handbag because I thought I did. And if you want measurements or anything on it, do you have measurements, anything on it?
I don't, but I could, if I find some,
it's
I'll
the small
put them in the description.
So yeah, it's
the
a small
satchel.
one. And I'll do This thing is big.
You can do what fits in your bag.
I'll do something like that. It's pretty large, you guys.
If that's something people want to see.
I was trying to say, I'm looking at the zipper goes down a little bit further. If I could push it through. I don't need to unzip it any further because it opens pretty well. But I'm sure this can hold maybe the air book. I know it can hold all the other things. We don't have an air book here in the house. Lexi.
No. I have to. Mom gave me her laptop, so I have to bring back the air book.
I know it's other with me, so I'll figure it out what can fit in here for you guys. And yeah, I got the. She's gonna bring the air book or something.
And we can
like
show
that.
it in another video. You gave me your MacBook. I appreciate it.
Merry Christmas. Happy birthday. Good.
Oh
happy
yeah,
Easter.
our birthdays are coming up.
My birthday's coming up, you guys. So we don't talk about birthdays and get to a certain point.
Her birthday's on the 27th.
She's all in my business. I wish I was turning 27. But, yeah, my birthday's coming up. But anyway, you guys, I wanted to come in here and show this. And Lexi's birthday. Her birthday's on the 20th.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
You know what? I always want to say the 23rd because of your year.
Yes, ma'am.
I always think of that year. And I always want to say the 23rd.
Me and Mom almost shared a birthday. I'm the 24th and she's the 27th.
Don't I look excited? Yeah, so, and then Monica's February 9th. So we're Aquarius. We're all in Aquarius. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have lots of shoes I want to show you guys. So many. Oh, you guys, I got some really cute videos. I want to show you guys some shoes. I got so much stuff going on in my head all the time. When I get on here, I'm trying not to ramble, just talk so much. So, I'll show you guys.
I like doing your shoe videos.
I got some really nice shoes to show you guys for later. But anyway, for this video, I just wanted to come in here and show you guys the Dooney Bourke small croc satchel. And it's last place we saw it was on eBay because this is some years old. I've had it for some years. Yeah, I take pretty good care of my bags, you guys.
Your bags?
I take really good care. I don't sit them around on the floors, anything like that, typically, other than at home, maybe, but not even at home.
Yeah.
Typically, I try to put them up on things. And then I don't think about it. It's not so much just the floor itself, like the floors are dirty, whatever, all the time. I don't want to kick it or anything like that, or some, trip over, whatever. And then here's just my raisin color. I think this is a type of a suede.
You smell
Rocky. Boom. So cute. Just throw that out there. But anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to get out of here. And hopefully I'll be back in a few days because I want to show the shoes and things like that. You guys remember my eye is a little bit swollen. I had something in my eye when I had my eyes checked recently. It was something he mentioned, like a scratch on something, I think. And I knew my eye was really watered a lot. It was always watering up, and it was something's going on. So if I look a little bit busted, we're gonna blame it on that. Yeah, it's that eye place. I'm telling you, they mess up your makeup and your hair. They do that. So I got some new contacts coming, so my eye's been a little bit irritated. Anyway. Side notes, but thank you guys for popping in again with me. Remember to turn on the dingy the notification, and I'm trying to think of something I was going to tell you guys. I can't remember. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Bye, you guys.
Bye.